Downsizing is very, very important whenever it comes to moving, okay? No one wants to pay us to move their stuff that they don't need. For a lot of our clients that we work with, it's a luxury service. If you are moving, you are going to need a moving company because you are not able to do the move yourself. There are some things that you can do, but I know nobody going to be busting their butt picking up a dress or a big heavy couch. We know that it is a necessity to hire a moving company. I would say most moves that we're going into assisted living or independent living to one bedroom apartment style move, usually that move cost is going to be, under $1,000, but it can definitely be a lot more if you drag all the stuff there to wherever you're going that you don't need. Tips on downsizing. There's a difference between listing your stuff on Facebook Marketplace or having your family do that or having your garage sale. There's a specific buyer that you're gonna have for that type of stuff, but your fine jewelry, your fine furniture, your stuff like that, that's gonna be great to work with an estate sale company on that, because a professional estate sale company, they know how to sell that kind of stuff. Junk removal. There are some things that you are going to categorize stuff that you can sell, and then there's some stuff that you're not able to sell, and that should either go to junk or donate. All of us have junk, but it's good to sort through what you are okay with just getting rid of, and I recommend that that's a great place to start. Besides junk, we work with a lot of local donation places around town. Some of these donation places, they will come and pick up for free, and we are happy to provide that resource for you, but not all of them do. Not all of them can fit you on their schedule. If you have a professional mover come in to handle the donation service, that can save you some of the liability there. We can also have it done in a more timely manner. A lot of these donation places, they are booked out months in advance, okay? We can usually fit a small donation job in the same week. Junk removal, we do junk removal. There's a dumpster in the driveway, that's one option. Sometimes it just takes sorting through, and I recommend a dumpster in your driveway if you're just gonna kind of pick and choose things as you go of what's keep and what's junk, and you can just kind of place all that stuff in there yourself. But if you don't want to use the dumpster, there is the junk removal option. Again, you're gonna have a professional moving crew come in, so we're not damaging your property as we're bringing the junk out, whatever we've decided is junk, and we're doing it all for you. You're not having to load that dumpster yourself. You're not having to call up the dumpster company to organize the logistics of that. We bring the truck, we bring the movers, we get it all done less than an hour usually.